Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the engine oil in your Dodge Durango RT. First, let's gather our supplies. You will need a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, an oil drain pan, and a funnel. Also, have 6 to 7 quarts of new engine oil and a new oil filter ready. Safety first, so use jack stands to secure your vehicle after lifting it. Now, let's get started with the draining process. Now that your Durango RT is safely elevated, it's time to drain the old oil. Place your oil drain pan directly under the oil drain plug, which is typically a 13mm bolt. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing the dark, used oil to flow into the pan. This process usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes to ensure all the old oil is out. Once it's fully drained, replace the drain plug securely. With the old oil drained, let's move on to the oil filter. The oil filter is usually a cylindrical canister located on the engine block. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully unscrew the old filter. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to spill out. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of new engine oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it about a quarter turn more. Finally, it's time to add the fresh engine oil. Locate your oil fill cap, usually on top of the engine, and remove it. Place a funnel into the opening and slowly pour in 6 to 7 quarts of the recommended engine oil. Once filled, replace the cap. Start your Durango RT and let it run for a few minutes, checking for any leaks around the new filter and drain plug. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.